Understanding Chew the Scenery, a guide to dramatic expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very colorful and dramatic phrase, chew the scenery. This phrase might conjure up some funny images in your mind, but it's actually a common expression in the world of theater and movies. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Chew the scenery is a vivid expression used to describe an actor who is overacting or being extremely dramatic. The phrase paints a picture of an actor so dramatic that they could almost chew on the scenery or background. It's not about literal chewing, but about being so overly dramatic that it's as if they are trying to devour the attention of the audience. The phrase, chew the scenery, originated in the world of theater. In the early days of stage performances, sets and backgrounds were often made of painted cloth or lightweight materials. Actors known for their excessive dramatics were said to chew the scenery, metaphorically speaking, because their performance was so intense that it could almost damage the set. 1. Describing actors. You can use the phrase when talking about a movie or play. For example, I thought the movie was good, but the lead actor was really chewing the scenery in some scenes. 2. In everyday situations. Although it's most commonly used to describe actors, you can creatively apply it to any situation where someone is being overly dramatic or seeking attention. For instance, my little cousin was really chewing the scenery at the family dinner. He wouldn't stop singing loudly. To deepen your understanding, it's helpful to see how this phrase is used in books, movies, or theater reviews. Here are a couple of examples. 1. In a theater review, the lead gave a performance that was powerful yet controlled, unlike the supporting actor who chewed the scenery with his melodramatic outbursts. 2. In everyday critique, the reality show was entertaining, but one could argue that the host was chewing the scenery with his exaggerated reactions to every event. Chew the scenery is a phrase rich in imagery and history, rooted in the theatrical tradition. It's a fun and expressive way to comment on someone's dramatic behavior, whether on stage or in real life. Remember, while it's great to be expressive and passionate, nobody wants to be known as the one who always chews the scenery. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of a colorful English phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.